Today we're taking a closer look at the UNI T UTI260A and UTI260B Thermal Imaging Cameras, powerful and cost-effective tools designed for professional thermal inspection. These models feature a high 256 by 192 infrared resolution, allowing you to capture detailed thermal images with excellent clarity. The temperature measurement range extends from -20 degrees up to 550 degrees Celsius, making this camera suitable for a wide range of applications, including PCB circuit inspection, floor heating pipe detection, HVAC maintenance, and electrical diagnostics. Accuracy is rated at ± or -2 degrees Celsius, ensuring reliable measurements. The camera offers 4 display modes: thermal imaging, visible light, thermal fusion, and picture-in-picture. Combined with 7 selectable color palettes, you can easily adapt the view to different inspection scenarios. In addition to the center point, 3 customizable temperature measurement points allow precise monitoring of hot and cold spots. The UTI260B version includes a visible light camera for dual light fusion, while both models support PC analysis software for real-time image transmission, data analysis, and report generation. An LED fill light and temperature alarm add extra convenience during inspections. Built for tough environments, the UNI T UTI260 series features IP65 protection and can withstand a 2-meter drop, making it reliable for industrial and field use. The rechargeable lithium battery ensures portable operation wherever you need it.